So the first step is to express 16 as a power of 2. Of course, we know that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 16. So 2 to the power 4 is 16. So instead of writing 16, we'll just write 2 to the power 4 in our question. So 2 to the power 4 to the power of negative 3 over 4, which will be equal to 2 to the power 4 multiplied by negative 3 over 4. Now, same thing, cancel that and that, gone. We end up with 2 to the power negative 3. Now, if we want to write our answer without that negative power, we can use our knowledge on negative indices to simplify that as 1 over 2 to the power of 3. Remember here we are without using a calculator. You can actually simply, you know that 2 to the power 3 is 8, so you can say 1 over 8 is your final answer. And then for B here, you have 2 to the power of 3, so end up with 2 to the power of 3. So 2 to the power of 3 to the power of negative 2 over 3, which will be equal to 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by negative 2 over 3. Same thing, cancel those guys. So you end up with 2 to the power negative 2, which will be equal to 1 over 2 squared. And you can write that as 1 over 4. Next question, you have 27 is 3 cubed. You can check that if you want. To the power of negative 4 over 3. So remember, the first thing is you need to express that number that you have, the base that you have, as a power of a prime number. Remember, 3 is a prime number, 2 is a prime number. So that's the first step. And then what you're going to end up with here is 3 to the power of 3 multiplied by negative 4 over 3. Then we cancel these 3's. We'll end up with 3 to the power negative 4, which will be equal to 1 over 3 to the power 4, which is 1 over 81. And then the last one, we have 2 to the power of 2 to the power negative a half, which will be equal to 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by negative a half. Now a half of 2 is 1, so we'll have 2 to the power negative 1 because you have a negative there, which is 1 over 2. That is our final answer.